everyone. My name is Annie. I'm the cultural attaché at the U.S. Embassy Dushanbe.
I'm Jonathan, also from the Public Affairs section.
And we're here with you today on Super Bowl Sunday, which is one of the biggest sporting events in America. So today, we'd like to show you how to make American chicken wings.
Let's do this.
So Jonathan, what are the ingredients that we'll need to make chicken wings?
All right, so we'll need the chicken wings, and then we'll need flour, paprika, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic salt.
Excellent. We're going to make a mix of these ingredients and coat the chicken with them before putting it in the oven to roast on a pan at high temperature, 220 degrees Celsius.
And once that's done, you're gonna put these beautiful chicken wings in the oven for about 30 minutes and then flip them over and then for another 15 minutes or until they're brown.
All right, would you like to try one?
Sure, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Those are really good.
Yum. If you'd like to try to make this recipe at home, here's the list of ingredients you'll need.